Welcome to the Alcohol Reset, the podcast that helps you reset your habits, health, and relationship with alcohol without judgment or extremes. If you're looking to cut back, take a break, or just understand how drinking can affect your body and mind, you're in the right place. Each episode brings you science-backed insights on neuroscience, nutrition, and habit change to help you feel better, sleep deeper, and take control on your terms. I'm Mike Hardenbrook, best-selling author, neuroscience enthusiast, and habit change expert. I've helped thousands through my book and podcast to rethink their drinking, and now I'm here to help you do the same. Let's get started. Hey everyone, Mike Hardenbrook here. Today let's talk about something really common. You know that moment, right? End of the night, things are good, you're relaxed, and then someone says it, come on, just one more. And you hesitate for like half a second, that little voice saying, maybe not. But it feels easier, almost harmless, to just say, yeah, okay, where's one more? We've all been there. Most of us go for it. So today I want to dig into what that one more, or maybe those few extra drinks scattered through the week actually costs you. And I'm not talking calories or cash. I mean the cost in energy, mood, sleep, your biology. Look, this isn't a lecture, no guilt trips. It's just about the science. It's about understanding the ripple effects of those seemingly small choices. This is for you if you use that just one more line, or if you're trying to balance being healthy with, actually having a social life. Because here's the thing, the line between moderate drinking and where your body starts taking hits, it's way thinner than most people think. Seriously thin. Even just one or two extra drinks a week, well, your body notices. It keeps score. It kicks off this quiet negative chain reaction, even if you don't feel hungover. So let's unpack these kind of hidden biological costs. First up, and this is almost immediate, your sleep quality takes a nosedive. Alcohol might make you feel sleepy, sure, but that's sedation. It's not real rest. That extra drink, it cuts down your REM sleep. That's the crucial bit for your brain memory, emotions, all that. Plus, you wake up more during the night even if you don't remember it, little micro awakenings. So you think you slept okay, but biologically, your brain didn't get to do its essential repair work, not properly. Okay, next. Hormones. Alcohol really messes with the balance. We're talking cortisol, your main stress hormone gets thrown off, estrogen too. And when those are out of whack, it affects everything. Your mood, how you handle stress the next day, even muscle recovery just gets jumpy. Then there's your actual brain chemistry, like the mood regulators. Alcohol lowers serotonin and dopamine production. These are your feel-good, feel-motivated chemicals. Deplete those even a bit, and you're setting yourself up for feeling kind of flat, maybe anxious, less focused tomorrow. And finally, your liver. It gets slammed trying to process the extra alcohol. Think of it like the body's main processing plant. When it's overloaded, dealing with booze, everything else, detox, energy restoration, it gets pushed back, delayed. This impacts your whole body's recovery. And remember, this is just biology. Chemical reactions, not a moral thing. Okay, so that's the immediate stuff. What about the next day? That hidden energy drain you feel. Well, first, that next day fog. We talk about losing deep sleep, right? Deep sleep is when your brain does its cleanup, gets rid of waste, organizes data, miss out on that, and yeah, you feel fatigued, irritable, thoughts move slower, your brain literally didn't finish its maintenance cycle. But here's a really weird one, the cortisol surge. This causes that awful, wired, tired feeling. Ever felt that? Anxious but exhausted. Once the relaxing effect of alcohol wears off, your body kind of panics and releases stress hormones, like cortisol, to counteract the sedation. So you wake up and your body is pumping out fight or flight chemicals. No wonder you feel tense and drained all day. It's chemical stress, basically. And it burns through your energy. And here's something most people totally miss. Nutrient depletion. Your body uses up a ton of resources metabolizing alcohol, especially B vitamins. I mean, essential B vitamins, like B1 and B12, they get burned through just processing the booze. And these are critical. B1 helps turn food into energy, keeps your nerves and brain sharp. B12 is huge for fighting fatigue, for focus, nerve health. So when you drain these, that's a direct cause of that low energy, can't focus feeling the next day. You've used up your energy making toolkit. Now this is where it gets, I think, really interesting. The habit loop. Every single time you have that extra drink for stress relief or reward, your brain learns something. It learns alcohol, quick fix, it's stress or tiredness or social awkwardness, whatever. And alcohol looks like the fastest solution, chemically speaking. The more you do it, the stronger that pathway gets in your brain, like paving a highway straight to the booze, bypassing healthier options. So the key takeaway here isn't about willpower failure. It's about brain efficiency. Your brain learned a shortcut. And the more you use that shortcut, the more intentional you have to be later to like build a new, healthier path for relaxation. So what does this all mean practically? What can you actually do? Well, it doesn't necessarily mean you have to quit drinking entirely to feel way better. It just means understanding the biological price tag and maybe choosing smarter. Let's talk practical steps. Smarter recovery. First, a mindset shift. Forget guilt. Use this science to feel empowered. You know what your body needs now. Action step 1. Swap the reward for actual recovery, that automatic drink after work. Try swapping it sometimes for something that truly resets you without the chemical cost. Like a quick walk outside, maybe some stretching, even a cold shower. Seriously, it shifts your state. Find what worked for you. Action step 2. Hydrate smarter. This is basic but key. Don't just chug water the next day. When you drink, try matching each alcoholic drink with water plus electrolytes. Those salts help manage the load, flush stuff out, reduce that headache and fog. It makes a difference. And finally, action step 3. Replenish what's lost. Since we know alcohol burns through those crucial B vitamins for energy and focus, smart recovery means putting them back. And you want to be specific here. Look for vitamin B1, but the benfotiamine form. It's fat soluble, so it gets absorbed better, gets into the brain easier, really helps with focus and energy after drinking, drains it. And also vitamin B12, specifically the methylcobalamin form. That's the active form your body uses right away. Great for that general fatigue, nerve health, brain function. These two are the power players for bouncing back. We actually put a lot of focus into sourcing these exact forms for our formulations, like in Cloud9's Daily Restore, because getting the right forms provides that targeted support your body needs to recover more quickly. It's designed for that smart recovery. Okay, let's wrap this up. Core message: choosing that extra drink. It doesn't make you weak, it's human. We seek comfort, quick relief. But understanding the biological cost, the hit to your sleep, your B vitamins, the induced anxiety, that knowledge empowers you. It lets you make choices that actually align with how you want to feel long term. You don't have to ditch fun. Just maybe ditch the version of fun that leaves you feeling foggy, anxious, and drained the next day. So here's a thought to chew on this week. How much better could your focus and energy be just this 1 week if you intentionally swapped one of those just one more moments for like a real recovery action instead? Track it. See how you feel. I think you might be genuinely surprised at what your brain can do when it's actually fully restored. That's a wrap for today's episode. If you got something out of this, do me a quick favor, leave a rating and review on whatever podcast platform you're listening on. It helps keep the show going and would mean the world to me. Got ideas, comments, or questions? Shoot me an email at mike@trycloud9.com. I'd love to hear from you. And if you're looking for extra support, check out Cloud9, makers of Daily Restore, a once-a-day supplement to support your body from alcohol's effects, and Rise and Unwind AM/PM, a 24-hour combo to curb cravings, balance mood, and improve sleep when taking a break. Go to trycloud9.com and use the code PODCAST to save 15% on your next order. Thanks for listening, and I'll catch you next time.